So officially, Party City has announced that all its stores are closing, meaning everybody was let go. I work for the corporate office for Party City. We were given 0 days notice. So no, the WARN Act did not come into play. We are not getting paid severance. So the 60 days with the WARN notice, they didn't do that for us. We were told this morning that the company is shutting down effective immediately. Employees are let go effective immediately. They will not be paying us any severance, but hey,